Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install IPA files directly on iPhone without computer and no Revoke. Diving into the realm of EOS beyond the confines of the App Store requires a grasp of the importance of IPA files. These files, identified by the IPA extension. In this tutorial, we explore an innovative method for installing IPA files on your iPhone without the need for jailbreaking. First of all, please open MapleSigner.ca on Safari. Then select the IPA files that want to install to your iPhone. On Mobile Provision and 12, you can find these files on Telegram group. Please check the Telegram group link on description of this video. Before you get P12 files, make sure the status is good. Save P12 to files. Then unzip or uncompress the P12 files. After you uncompress the P12 files, please go back to MapleSigner. Upload Mobile Provision and 12. Input the password. You can find the password on Telegram group or folder 12. Enable store certificate if you want to install any IPA files, so you don't need to upload Mobile Provision and P12 again. Then click Install IPA. Please wait, the IPA files is installing. If you see Untrusted Developer, please go to Settings, General, V and Device Management. Then click Trust. And now, you can install and open IPA files directly on iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates.